Texas was a little rough on the front end. So today, I'm putting a new hood on, new grill. Might as well put a new fender on because I hate Bondo. Some new headlights, and I'm gonna attempt to put a 4th gen off-road bumper on here. We'll see if it fits. Wait, what am I thinking? I'm gonna make it fit, no matter what. It's going on here. Here's what I got. Sorry about the lighting, sun's on the wrong side. But I got these black headlights with the DRL, so that will make it look good. The black honeycomb grille, and the 4th gen bumper. I purchased 4th gen to 2nd gen bumper conversion kits to see if they would work. It stated online that you can't use the off-road bumper for the bumper conversion. Now I see why I didn't. I'm sure a lot of people question that. So I bought the stuff, and I'm gonna make one of these fit. We'll figure out how later in the video. But real quick, these are the $35 adapters off eBay, and here's the $70 one off Amazon. It has an additional gusset, and it's longer for more support. It is a little warped. I don't know if you can see that, but you can definitely see the marks in it from it warping. These ones seem straighter. I like the ones with more support personally, but I bought both sets in case someone watching is having the same dilemma, $35 ones or $70 ones. Pros and cons. I'm gonna go ahead and start with getting the hood and the fender changed. I went to a junkyard yesterday and got replacements. Little dent, but it's not made out of Bondo. Whoa, before you guys get mad that I break everything that I just bought, I took the valence off. First person who comments that they want this, I'm shipping it to you for free. 2nd gen Cummins, lower valence. It's yours. I had a Chevy Silverado, but I never took it apart like this. So this is like my first American car I've dove into. I do like how you can just unbolt everything. Very cool. So I pulled the fender, the bumper, and the hood off. Now it's like disassembled. Something interesting is my heater never seems to work. And I was squeezing this. I think there's something in there. I thought this thing has blown head gasket, which it might, but it might be caused from something clogging that line. I've been kind of mad as today. Someone broke my window on my Beamer last night, and that I wasn't too concerned about, but other stuff has happened, and I've just been mad. So, kind of felt good to bust some shit up. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this headlight off as well. And then I'll start with getting this headlight up and the other fender and headlight, and then we'll get the hood on. Nope. It's just a wire to keep it from collapsing. Cool. Well, at least it gets coolant change now. And I think the head gasket's blown. Oh, that looks nice. Solid. Now I'm gonna do the 6 inner ones that I didn't show you guys because it's boring. Can I get the hood on without the wind taking it? Let's find out. What do I do? That could have gone a lot worse. Decent, I'll take it. This is a work truck. It's looking great. I'm really loving these new headlights. Time to slap the grill on. Whole top diamond in the bottom rose gold. It's starting to look good. I'm getting cold. It's getting dark. I'll see you guys tomorrow and we'll get the bumper on. I was having kind of a lazy morning, so I drove to Albuquerque to get this trim piece. I cannot believe I actually found one of these with all the clips intact. They're all broken. So yesterday when I was removing the turn signals, I busted the bulb, so I picked up 2 new turn signals and 2 headlights as well. I'm gonna get the headlights installed and wire up the DRLs. I've decided to tap the wiring right here to the running light. So these are pretty long. I'm gonna chop them down right about here. Throw 2 of these butt connectors on here. And I've stolen a connector off one of my parts cars. So I will put this on there and then put this to the car. That way, if I ever need to pull the headlights to like paint the truck or something, they will just disconnect. Nice. It's hard to see the DRL in the sun, but it's on. Do they fit the best? No. Were they cheap? Yes. They look good too. Next up, I'm gonna go ahead and pull these stock brackets off and mount up the aftermarket one. And then I can pull out a tape measure and get an idea of what I'm gonna need to do to make this work. I do believe I'm going to be using the plates with the gusset because I want that extra strength. Look at the thickness difference. It's minimal, but this is definitely thicker. And this is a tow truck, so I want everything strong. If you're just putting this on a 1500, I would use the $35 brackets. Yes, there's no back brace, but I mean, to bend this in a car crash, stuff's going to move. For 35 bucks, they're not bad. Plates are all mounted up. Now I'm going to struggle with the bumper and try to shove it up there and kind of see how it will fit. The obvious issue is these aren't flat, they're curved. These are flat. My general game plan is to run a back cut here, bend these straight, get the bumper mounted, then weld it. But first things first, rough test fit. So here's the general mock-up. I'm pretty happy with it. It's gonna tilt a little different. It's kind of tilted down in the back right now. The plate ends right about here. And if we tilt it forward, our bolt holes are here. So these plates are too far outward on both sides. I'm thinking of ways to resolve this, and I think one way would be switching the plates side to side so that they're more inboard than outboard. Oh, this thing weighs a lot. That one's mounted, and it actually did exactly what I wanted. So now it will hit on these mounting points. I'm so confident that this is gonna work that I'm at the point where I need to back cut them in so I can bend them straight. Done. I'm using a square so I can square up to the bottom and not throw off any of the angles. Keep it straight here and then just draw a line. I cut, I want to say 80% through. That way it will bend nice and easy. There we go. So now with these plates straight, I'm scared to get under this. It's about to fall. But we can see the mounting points are right in line with that plate. They might interfere with this back gusset a little bit. I'm not too sure. I'm not too worried about it either. Gotta get a marker from this side and mark on the plate where to drill. Drill 3 holes on each side. And then just run some bolts in it. I went ahead and shimmed it a little different. I think I got it looking pretty darn good. So that is where the holes are marked. The harder you push on the drill bit, the faster it works. Is it good for it? No. But do I care? Also no. God, that's dull. That's dull. Oh. I'm so scared of the intercooler. Oh, almost got it. Didn't though. Woo! Okay, 3 more to go. Boom, done. Let's mount it. Now the moment of truth. I didn't bother putting the center bolt in, so it's on top and bottom. I will be needing to remove this bumper to do some steering stuff, so I'm only gonna leave it on 4 for now. You know, it's the top and bottom that are the most critical, but I'm happy with it. I'm not wiring it up this video. That will be in my wiring video where I wire up all those light bars, my reverse light bars, and I got a switch panel and all that. So none of the bumper wiring is happening until my wiring video. Look at how good this thing looks. I'm stoked. There we go, bumper's done. I need to do a couple things like tighten these side pieces up. Right now they're just mocked up so they're loose. Here, tighten this thing up. Little flex in it. Not bad though. That's all. When I was at the junkyard, I grabbed a couple things that are missing, like this coolant reservoir. So let's go ahead and pop this in. Thanks for watching, guys. We're getting very close to paint, and that is gonna really bring this truck together. So if you wanna see this thing be painted, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time.